is going to be a great series, I know it. So this is going to be the survival. Yeah, this is a YouTube one. But we're not YouTubing right now. We are. We are. I didn't turn it on. Oh my god. I didn't... Yeah, we got an extra chest. I'm gonna go get these sheep, okay? Because there might be some beds being made. No, Aiden, I'll get him. You get some wood, I'll do some killing. Okay, give me all the wool. Give me all the wool. Okay? I've got a couple more than that. Okay, give me all your wool. I've got 8. We need one more sheep. One more sheep will do. Oh, there's one more. There's 2 sheep over here. Yeah. We have got a bed. We have got a bed, Aiden, for all of us. But we haven't got enough wood. It's still got that cold. What? Where? Show me this pink wool then. Where is she then? I've not got whose privs on because this is a survival world with achievements. There's a lot of sheep around that. I've got us all cooked for the night, mate. We've got a lot of stuff. Light blue, please. I've got us some food for the night, Aiden. I found a lot of sheep. And I've got us a few beds as well. We can maybe keep some beds for the end, actually. Why is there a lot of cows over here? Red dye. Get here, stupid cow. I need you. I think we've got some leather armor now. I think we can get some leather armor. But not enough for all 3 of us. I'll do Aiden first, then Amelia, then I'll do myself, because you guys are way more important than me. I've changed. Aiden, I've changed. I'm 10 now. Remember? So I've changed. I thought you were still 8 earlier. Sorry. I've got you some red dye. I got some red dye. Turn up your mic volume. Turn up your mic vol. I think so, yeah. gather in some more wood. Just gather in some more good wood. Aiden, never get rid of your map. Never get rid of your map, because your map is useful. Yeah. Yeah, of course we do. Yeah. I've got a lot of wood. I've got 27. I've got 27. 69 already? I'm gonna get 2 stacks of wood because we might need some. Which will probably be 3 more, probably. I'll check. No, 1 more. Which is 3. Oh no! Ha! I've got 64 and 63. Okay, I guess we got 3 extra now. Another sheep! You've got to be kidding me. Aiden, where are you? Where are you? Oh, that's swamp. I'm coming to see ya. I'm gonna come and see ya. Oh, are you guys hungry? I've got a little bit of hunger down. I've got 3 bits of hunger left. Who got some stone? Who's got some stone? Because we need to get some stone and cook a furnace. Look, I mean like craft a furnace. Aiden, I can see your gamer tag. I'm coming, mate. I'm coming. I'm really slow though because I've not had anything to eat. Oh, you died. You lost all your stuff. I'm going to get some stone now. Yeah? No. Tonight, Aiden, we should probably make a house. Who wins? Guys, come and find me, because I've found a place to stay for a while. Haven't dyed our beds yet, but I will place them all down and we can have a little lie-in. Bagsy middle bed. I'm still Bagsy. No, I keep middle bed. I keep middle bed. Okay, fine. I move over to left, and then Aiden moves over to middle, then off, and then Amila. Where's Amila? Where's Amila? and then Amelia's on the right, and then Amelia's in the middle, Aiden's on the left, and I'm on the right, and then we keep on doing that, yeah? I'm cooking some food as well. I need to cook some food. If you guys quickly find me, use your maps. Aiden, do you want me to dye your bed? Oh damn, I broke my sword. Yeah? I know where you are, Aiden, I saw. I broke my sword stupidly. Look, come and find me, I'm on a mountain. I got an achievement already. I got change of sheets. Okay, somebody dye my middle bed blue. And then... if you see a torch on a mountain, look, I put a torch on a mountain for you. I'm up here. I'll leave it here. I've got pork chop. Come here, Aiden. Aiden, can you quickly wake up a moment? Do you want a trophy? Put these pork chops in. Okay? And take out that pork chop. Did you get the achievement? Yeah, it says pork chop. Did you get it? Oh, okay. Okay, can you give me back the meat, please? The pork chops. You forgot. I need to put them in to cook. Has Amelia got that trophy yet? Okay, Amelia, can you find us? Oh, has she? Aiden, do you have any blue dye? Is Mila in the game? Yeah, she's in the game. Yeah, I guess so. Yeah, we're gonna have to eat in a minute. Can I just eat some pork chops, please? Because I need to heal. Yay! Blue! Light blue! Yay! 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 Blue! Yay! Yay! I found it. Look, I found some coal over here. I'll mine it. Okay. Aiden? Amelia? Aiden? Aiden? Guess what I watched today? Guess what I watched today? You know, I watched the Pokemon movie. Yeah. Ah! I'm mining the coal myself, okay, Aiden? Stop! I've got the coal, I've got the coal, I've got the coal, I've got the coal. Is she? Don't worry, I'll get her out. That's the tiniest slime ever! How could she get killed by that? Oh! I got the food! Hang on. Who wants to... How about I just get you all chest plates? Leather, because I've got a leather chest plate for you, Aiden. Right, next up, Amelia's chest plate and then my chest plate. Actually, didn't you say you had iron? Did you say you have iron? Oh. Aiden, you said you wanted a piece of leather. There you go. Hit her back for you. I haven't died. I haven't. That was in your game, not my game. But you got your stuff back, so that's all that matters. Later, we need to grab some stuff first. Hang on, first of all we need to build a house. We can't just sleep out in the wild. We'll easily get killed. Where should I build it though? Where should I build it? Here. Right here. Actually, I found a place, I found a place, I found a place, I found a place. Oh. Yeah. Why? Why? What is it? Oh, cool. Yeah, I know that. Oh, what am I doing? I'll come later. I'll come later. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 2, 3, 4. What do you mean? Aiden, you're crazy. Amelia, stop breaking it. Stop it. Thanks, Amila. Ah! Aiden, that's a lifetime. You should say a lifetime. Wait. Ow! No, we put it in our house. We put it in our house. I'll build some cobblestone. Okay, I'm gonna be quite newbie. Aiden, can I be quite newbie on our house, please? Because I want to put some cobblestone on it to put some more decoration. Because it makes it a little bit fireproof. Because it makes it a little bit fireproof, doesn't it? Meh. She's middly, okay, Aiden? Middly. I like Bulbasaur. Bulbasaur. Yeah, I went to Thorpe Park. I went to Thorpe Park yesterday, Aiden. Thorpe. It's a place. No, it's Thorpe. It said on the sign, Aiden. It said on the sign. Yeah, Thorpe Park. Boing. Don't kill her then. Don't. Aiden, do you have a pickaxe, please? Can I have a pickaxe? And also yesterday I went to McDonald's when I was coming back from Thorpe Park. Oh, what is my... Hang on guys, I need to go and have my... Guys, I need to go. My sister's calling me. I need to go. Bye bye. Bye bye. I need to. Bye bye.